Next tonight here, millions of dollars in jewels gone in a matter of seconds. Masked men smashing their way through a store, and authorities believe they have struck before.
Tonight, those criminals still on the loose.
Still ducking from the one time.
YouTube, what's happening? It is your guy Hitch. We only have 1 day left before the new year, so that means it's time to start looking back at all the sneakers that came out this year and decide what were the top releases for 2022. Now, this might be a surprise to a bunch of you, but I have a feeling the LeBron 20s are going to make it on my top 10 releases for this year. If they don't, they're definitely getting an honorable mention. So if you have not seen the LeBron 20 Time Machine review, go and check that out because those were fire. And on December 3rd, they dropped another pink colorway called the South Beast. And I think that these are even better than the Time Machines.
With some fresh night gas. My new chick meaner than Cruella DeVille. Slap a bitch for the thrill. Godzilla and Hills. We get pulled over by the cops. She keep my weapon concealed. When we fuck, tell me she love me. I'm the best in the field. Yeah. Unlock my G, now I'm hater proof. Secure the bag, that's my hater noose. Ooh, they watch what that beta do. Middle finger high, fuck a hater truth. Pine box casket, a hater coupe. Poof, poof. Pour a few shots, tell her chug a lug. Chug a lug, chug a lug. Roll another Dutch. If she with it, then we boning in the tub. That's a rubber dub. Got that booty jumping like it's double Dutch. Married to the money, I can't fall in love. Chase another bag, one is not enough. Nah. Grimmy Henny Crown, fuck a double cup. They throwing shade, niggas muzzle tough. It's like every day a homicide. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. We just wake up in this winning time. All this pain got me traumatized. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. My dog still getting euthanized. Still ducking from the one time. Hey, yo, that look like one time. Pocket rocket for a nigga.
Unlike the Time Machines, they removed all of that dimensional knit from the uppers and replaced it with this premium pink tumbled leather. And you guys know how much I love premium materials, and this is some of the best leather I've seen Nike use on a pair of sneakers in a really, really long time. The leather feels great in hand, and you can see how great the quality is when you rub your finger across it. You can also see how great the craftsmanship is on the uppers by the precise stitching throughout the leather material. The luxury materials continue, as there are 5 different animal prints and furs on the swooshes, with the lateral swooshes being mismatched. And then finally, they finish off the uppers with a final detail that includes the leather tag stitched into the heels with LeBron's crown logo.
I'm more highly favored to give. All black forgotten hoodie with some fresh night gas. My new chick meaner than Cruella DeVille. Slap a bitch for the thrill. Godzilla and Hills. We get pulled over by the cops. She keep my weapon concealed. When we fuck, tell me she love me. I'm the best in the field. Yeah.
Just like the Time Machines, there are multiple lacing options for these South Beasts, which I do love. They have pink flat laces with a metallic pink lace doubre in the sneaker themselves. And then you have a darker shade of pink set of flat laces with green tips and another set of multicolored pink and green flat laces inside the box. They do bring back the dimensional knit for the tongue. However, the pink tumbled leather is used for the lace eyelets and again as the leather accent at the top of the tongue with LeBron's signature. On the back of the tongue, there are 2 different messages, designed and engineered to the exact specifications of the next generation on the right tongue, and LeBron 20 Pink Diamond Collection established 2003 on the left tongue. On the inside of the sneaker, the rest of it is all pink, including that form-fitting sphere sock liner and the insoles that do have LeBron's crown logo and the Roman numeral 20.
Next tonight here, millions of dollars in jewels gone in a matter of seconds. Masked men smashing their way through a store, and authorities believe they have struck before.
Tonight, those criminals still on the loose.
Still ducking from the one time. Hey, yo, that look like one time.
The bottom of these South Beast 20s are also clean and classy, starting with that super soft midsole that is all sail, and then below that is the super clear translucent outsole that does have that huge carbon fiber plate and the LeBron James signature in the midfoot area, and down at the heel you have the infamous Dunkman logo in pink.
Steve 3, Cola 16, Austin, my spit monster type of nigga laughing a gauntlet. I light up a rocket and I fill up on beer. Your baby mama watch my stories, she be wishing she there. Can't afford no Ferragamo, highly favored to give. All black forgotten hood.
Yes, I said it. The South Beast LeBron 20s will be making it into my top 10 sneakers of 2022 somehow, some way. And no, they're not some hyped up collab, but nobody can tell me this is not a clean and dope sneaker. On release day, they did not sell out immediately, and I think people were sleeping on them. However, things changed drastically. There are only 2 sizes remaining on Nike.com, and that was the only retailer to carry these. The retail was $210, which I initially thought was a little bit steep, but after getting these in hand, they are worth every penny. If you do want a pair, you gotta go up a half size, especially if you're a wide footer or gonna hoop in these, because they are super snug, even more snug than the Time Machines. I did not. I like my sneaker a bit tight, but I'm a little bit concerned because these are leather. The Time Machines had dimensional knit, so I figured they would break in. Not really sure how that's gonna go with these, so that's something I'm concerned about. Now, I did give the Time Machines a perfect 5 rating, and these are a better sneaker to me. So on a scale of 1 to 5, these are also getting a 5, and I stand by that. But I want to hear from you guys. Are the LeBron 20s on your radar? Do you think I'm bugging with the rating? Have you copped a pair? If you did, what colorways? If you have not yet, do you have a particular colorway that you're looking for? Or what's the reason you haven't copped yet? Hit the comments and let me know. I do have 2 more videos that I'm going to be dropping before the new year, so please stay tuned. I'm out.
Bitch, I'm a goblin, pain feels so cold, rock chinchilla in August. I'm Steve 3, Cola 16, Austin, my spit monster, type of nigga laughing a gauntlet. I light up a rocket.